Roasted lemon turmeric hummus recipe. Yield 6 servings. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 10 minutes. Total time 15 minutes. Ingredients: hummus, 2 cups 330 grams cooked chickpeas, 1 lemon, juiced approximately 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters, 2 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup 60 milliliters tahini, 1/4 cup 60 milliliters water, 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters olive oil, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon curry powder optional, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Ingredients: optional garnish, roasted cherry tomato halves, roasted lemon slices, turmeric powder, roasted pine nuts, dried basil or oregano. Directions: 1. Preheat the oven to 475 F 250 C. Cut the lemon in half crosswise and place cutside up on a piece of foil or parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 10 minutes, until tender and slightly golden. Allow to cool before extracting the juice. 2. Place all ingredients except the chickpeas in a food processor and blend on high until well combined, stopping occasionally to scrape down the sides. Then add the chickpeas and blend again until a creamy consistency is achieved. 3. Plate, garnish, serve with crackers, cut up vegetables, or enjoy in a wrap or sandwich. Notes: 1. If cooking from dry beans, this is about 1 cup 200 grams dry beans. If using canned chickpeas, this is the amount in a 500 grams can. 2. If you're new to using turmeric, start with 1/4 teaspoon and add more if desired. The taste can be strong if you're not used to it. 3. If using canned chickpeas, be sure to rinse first. Canned chickpeas are high in salt, so taste test and add this salt at the end in the amount desired. 4. Variations: add spices as desired, such as cumin or garam masala while blending to vary flavors. Get creative with this one. Add more tahini if you like your hummus creamier, freshly squeezed lemon if you want more zest, and 1 to 2 tablespoons extra water if you want thinner hummus. 5. Speed it up. Using canned chickpeas speeds up the process. 6. Storage: store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.